Jesus fucking Christ, that shit was loud. Holy fucking crap. I didn't expect it to be that fucking loud. Oh my god. Come on. There we go. Oh my god, that felt nice. It's proven science. Underpants are what make white people white people. Woo!
Now we can start our day, because I'm all dressed up. But first,
Going to the kitchen. Going to the kitchen. Kitty. Oh shit, there's that on the floor. There's a cat right there though. Hey Winston, you want some food? We're gonna have some Rice Krispies, cause that's how we get pissy. I don't even know, not even rhyming. Are you fucking kidding me? We don't have any goddamn milk! Oh shit, what the fuck was that? We got an upgrade and I bitched him on enough and we got some fucking milk. Oh yeah! Vitamin D. Vitamin D's nuts.
today we're going to discuss some politics.
Yeah, I don't think anybody really wanted to hear about politics.
Yeah.
Can't be looking like good.
I will see y'all later.